is keening a funeral tradition? Imagine standing in a quiet Irish village where the air is filled with a haunting melody that echoes through the night. That sound is keening, a powerful part of Irish funeral customs. Keening is a traditional vocal lament performed at wakes and funerals in Ireland. It was once a common way for communities, especially in rural areas, to mourn their loved ones. Women known as keening women or bean céinte led these emotional songs, which expressed grief and respect for the deceased. Keening usually took place during the wake, which is the gathering before the burial. The keeners would sing mournful laments that told stories about the person's life, virtues, and sometimes their faults. These songs could be accompanied by rhythmic cries or even harp music, making the experience deeply moving. The practice was not just about mourning. It was a way to honor the dead and help their spirits on their journey to the afterlife. The tradition was highly organized. Groups of women would stand around the body, taking turns singing their laments. Sometimes the singing would switch between different groups, creating a chorus that filled the room with emotion. This ritual had a spiritual purpose, believed to guide the soul and support the community through their grief. It was linked to ancient Irish beliefs, including the idea of the banshee, a supernatural woman who foretells death with her wailing. By the 19th century, keening started to decline. Changes in society and the influence of the church, which saw keening as uncivilized, led to its reduction. Despite this, in rural Irish communities, keening remained a vital part of funeral customs for a long time. It symbolized community bonds and collective mourning. Today, keening is rarely practiced, but it remains a meaningful part of Ireland's cultural history. Visitors interested in Irish traditions might see references to keening in museums or cultural centers. It offers a glimpse into how Irish people once expressed grief openly and passionately, turning mourning into a communal act of memory and respect.